Hello future millionaire and welcome to our video. Some things, when learned, can greatly improve people's lives, and, without a doubt, one of them is financial education for beginners. Including, over the years the job market has undergone a transformation, and the way people deal with money too. What used to not be a concern, learning to manage money in the best possible way, avoids many unforeseen events and unpleasant surprises. However, it's not just about saving money, it's also about knowing how to organize, spend, and save or invest money. It all starts with planning, because you need to know where you are and where you want to go and, in this way, follow a path. This allows you to have a present without major worries and the realization of future dreams. Thinking about helping you get organized, we've prepared this guide with everything you need to know about financial education for beginners. So stay with us until the end of the article and start your financial planning today. Leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any more amazing tips like this one. But after all, what is financial education? We can simply say that financial education is the knowledge acquired to manage your personal or business financial budget. In other words, it is how people learn to control expenses, invest money, and make it grow. The main objective is to guarantee a stable and quality life, in addition to the possibility of realizing dreams and an amount for unforeseen events. In this context, financial education for beginners is of paramount importance for those who seek all of this, but still don't know how to prepare and organize the budget. What are the pillars of financial education? Thinking about financial education for beginners, it is necessary to understand some pillars to learn to guide yourself in this journey of knowledge and have a change in perception about money. Basically, these are the 4 pillars. Making money. We are talking here about generating more income, which most people want. Manage money. It's no use earning more if you don't know how to take care of these resources. Bad management will make people fall into temptations that will distance them from their goals. Investing money. Despite being something that involves study and dedication, anyone can invest their money. Contrary to popular belief, this is not a privilege for rich people. It only takes discipline to save part of your earnings. Undertaking money. Many people have the desire to undertake, and for that, it is necessary to have a good financial education to open prosperous businesses. What is your importance of financial education for beginners? Who doesn't want a more stable life? The lack of financial education for beginners can lead to many debts, loss of control, and search for solutions such as loans and the accumulation of more debts. Therefore, the way you handle money directly impacts your life and even your routine. The most important thing about financial education for beginners is opening up possibilities for a prosperous and peaceful future. Obviously, a remuneration that is not too high is a strong reason to increase people's debt. However, bad budget management contributes directly to the increase in default rates. Nowadays, financial education is no longer limited to investors. It is essential for everyone's planning and has even been taught in some schools. Thus, financial education for beginners is essential for people to learn how to deal with money and have a healthier relationship with consumption. What is financial education for beginners for? There are many benefits of learning to manage money. More important than the income value is to consider how you deal with it on a day-to-day basis. Here are some of the advantages of financial education for beginners. Have financial stability. Avoid the accumulation of debts. Increase the quality of life. Planning to buy goods and make dreams come true. Have control of spending and planning your budget. Have the peace of mind of being prepared for an emergency situation. Reduction of anxiety and other problems related to lack of financial stability. I'm a beginner. Where to start learning? The sooner you take your first step, the faster you will reach your goal of securing your financial stability. So start by acquiring knowledge about financial education for beginners. Do a study on money and its relationship with people's physical and psychological health. Also, Educate yourself on the benefits of having the resources to invest in a business of your own, or how it can give you a comfortable life or even the joy of fulfilling dreams. After this moment of inspiration, pay attention to your daily practices. How is your money received and used by you? How is your financial health? Now, it's time to think about your emotional situation and what is your level of control to avoid unnecessary purchases, your worry about debt, and whether you want to have plans to achieve your dreams. A financial education plan for beginners always starts with the willpower to put it into practice and get out of your comfort zone. So, if you've come this far, roll up your sleeves and start your path to financial independence today by applying the following tips. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Share this video with people who need this type of content. Don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our tips on how to get rich in 2023.